Good day, monetizers, and welcome to another video. And for today's video, we are going to talk about brand collaboration. So many people is asking about brand collaboration. Most people doesn't have an idea of how brand collaboration works. So I decided to create this video for you. So as you can see, we're doing this tutorial in English because there are some people that requested that I do it in English so that they can also understand. So because I know Filipinos can understand English, so we will adjust. For anything else, I would like to invite all of you to follow me and to subscribe to my channel, Social Media Monetizers, in Facebook and in YouTube. For more tutorials, tips, and news about the world of Facebook monetization or social media monetization. So I hope I can see you on my Facebook page and on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Okay, so let's start with the tutorial. For this tutorial, we will explain or we will know what is brand collaboration, how brand collaboration works. And please stay tuned because by the end of the video, I will give you a tour of the brand collaboration advertisers dashboard. Meaning I will let you see how an advertiser or how a brand chooses who he wants to collaborate with. So you can have an idea. Okay? So that's around the end of the video. But for now, let's talk about what is brand collaboration. So everyone knows already, I think, that brand collaborations are paid partnerships between a creator, that means us, the one that is the admin of the page or the one who is creating the content, and a brand or advertiser that wanted us to promote them. Okay, so that's brand collaboration. So how do you earn money through brand collaboration? It's not like in-stream ads, where Facebook will give the money to you. No, it will be between you and the advertiser. You have to communicate about what to promote, how much it will be, how long it will be. Facebook would just be the mediator of, it's like Facebook is only the market where the seller and the buyer will meet. But the seller and the buyer will talk how much the cost would be, how many the buyer will buy. Okay, so that's how brand collaboration works. So you cannot expect Facebook to pay you. It would be between you and the advertiser or the brand. So first of all, let's take a look at the brand collaboration dashboard for creators. Okay, if you are already monetized for branded collaboration, you will see the brand collab dashboard in your Creator Studio. So you just go to your Creator Studio and then you click monetization, and then you will see branded content. That is your brand collaboration dashboard. So in the brand collaboration dashboard, this will be the tabs. So what does this tabs means? So first is content. Content is where all the posts that you will do for the brand will be. for example, if you had a collaboration with a brand, the content that you did for that brand would be on the content tab. So the post will be here, when it was published, the metrics that is very important, the reach and the impressions. Wait. The reach, the impressions, and the engagement that post had. So that is all in the content tab. Portfolio, this one. Portfolio would be the things that the brand or the advertiser will see about your page. It will have an impact on how a brand, if a brand will get you as a collaboration or not. When we see the dashboard of the advertisers later, you will see that this is the one that they will see portfolio. So what is your audience like, the followers that you have, and then the intro, and if you had any past partnership with other brands. So the brand will see that. And then project briefs. The brand or the advertiser is the one that will do project briefs. You have the criteria, or if your page have the criteria for the project brief that the brand did, then you will see it in this tab. That's why there is open, not interested, and closed. If, for example, a project brief lands in this tab, you can say you can reject it. So it would be in the not interested tab. Or if it's closed, it means that the collaboration has already ended. When it's open, it means it's up to you. Do you want to do that collab or not? So project briefs, I will explain it more in the in the advertisers side of the dashboard. Partnerships. So these are all the partnerships or the collaborations that you do, that you did. So it will, if you have any partnerships with any brand, it will appear in this tab. Publishing tools. When you do a post on your page, the brand that you collaborate with has the permission to tag the page, has the permission to tag your page. So it will appear in this tab. So any page that tags you is in this tab. And then the settings is where your email address, notifications would be, and tagging approvals. If I on this tagging approval, you can put the pages, only the Facebook pages that is approved for tagging. So they are the only ones that can tag you. And then block partners. For example, if the collaboration has already ended, so you don't want them to tag you anymore, so you can block them, block the page, or for whatever reason. Because there are people that ask, okay, so I'm already monetized I'm already eligible for brand collaboration. So what should I do now? There's nothing you will do. Only in the portfolio section, if you want to customize your portfolio, or what the brand can see when they look at your page, then you can customize your portfolio here. You can say something so that it's like you're talking to the brand to get you as their partner or not. So you can put it here. That's all you will do. You will do nothing, because the brands is the one that is going to come to you and to partner with you. So on the next video, I will tell you how do brands do that, how do they look for pages to partner with, and how do they How do they communicate with the, so that's it for creators. There's nothing you will do. It's up to the brand. That's why many creators, especially the ones that only post repurpose videos, they always say you will not earn anything from brand collaboration, because most brands would pick an original content for brand partnership. Okay, so now we will go to the dashboard of the brands for brand collaboration.